If 3p plus q squared is equal to x, express p in terms of x and q. This is a multiple choice question, and so we solve the question, and after that we will pick the correct option. The equation we have is 3p plus q squared is equal to x. The question wants us to express p in terms of x and q. That means that we have to make p the subject. To make p the subject of this equation, we will begin by taking square root of both sides. So we take square root of the left hand side and we take square root of the right hand side. When we do that, you can see that the square and the square root will be gone, and so you have 3p plus q is equal to square root of x. I want to make p the subject, so I'll send q over to the right hand side. And so I'm going to have 3p is equal to square root of x minus q. To make p the subject, I'll divide both sides by 3. So I'll divide the left hand side by 3, and I'll divide the right hand side also by 3. When I do that, you can see that 3 and 3 will cancel. So I'll have p is equal to square root of x minus q divided by 3. When we look through the options we have, we can see that the correct option is B. P is equal to square root of x minus q divided by 3.